Yeah, I had pain lately, like in this arm,
Okay.
and I'm not able to. Normally I'm not able to raise it more than this. It's some pain. I mean, it aggravates when I like pull it
Like
down.
little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
How long you have this issue, ma'am?
Around 10 minutes.
Fine. Keep your arm like this, then slowly put it down. This will drop on chest.
This is painful.
I'm going to say that. This is painful.
Raising up is more painful.
End range is painful.
Yeah.
Like something is poking over there.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah. Is it painful?
Yeah.
Experiencing pain at the top of your shoulder when you are doing overhead activities. You might be suffering from painful arch syndrome, which is a part of acromioclavicular joint dysfunction. Generally, people got pain when they are lifting their arm on overhead activities. More or less last 10 to 20 degrees, they start getting pain. Means like 168 to 180 degree, they are having some pain. So start with the gentle pendulum swings to reduce your tension and add scapular retraction to wake up your shoulder stabilizers. Wall slider exercises, it helps to regain self overhead movement. Thoracic spine mobility drills improve your posture and reduce joint stress. And finish with your Y, T and I exercises to build control and endurance. So early rehab make recovery smoother. So don't wait, get move today.